Hello, welcome back to Super Building. In this video, we are going to see how to set up your software according to your business. So let's get into it. So after you log in, let's go through our settings. On the left menu, click on settings. So now let's go to print settings. On print settings, you will see first choose a printer. So you can choose which printer you need to print your receipts or invoices. And next is show print dialog. So if you need to show your print dialog, like how many copies, or if you need to print it in color or grayscale, or any help that you need from a print dialog, you can choose yes or no. Next is the footer text. So the footer text settings applies the text below your invoice, like thank you. So you can see it is displayed here, and the terms and conditions that you need to provide, and the sales invoice prefix or suffix that you need. So I need a prefix of yes and suffix of B. Then you can see the preview. The invoice number is displayed as S01B. Okay, so the default number of copies. So if invoice is saved and you're going to print the invoice, you can select the default number of copies that you need to print. So if, for example, if you need 3 copies to print, you can click on 3. And this is the font size of the company name displayed. So I recommend you to leave it the same, as it will not disturb the invoice format. And you can choose an invoice color theme, like any color you need that will match your brand or product. And the next is barcode generation type. So we have support for barcode generation. So if you need to generate a random barcode, then you can choose random option, or you can choose the sequential option. And for barcode also you can choose the prefix. So, and the digit settings is for example, if you choose sequential, it will start from 1. If you choose 3 digits, it will start from 001. So, and for next 002 likewise. And the copy number settings is, here you have given the default number of copies. So for every copies you will get a header like this: original, copy for transporter, copy for auditor, likewise. So you can choose that. So for copy 1, I'm going to give text as original and add it. And for copy 2, I'm going to give it as transporter copy, add it. And for third copy, I'm going to give it as auditor copy and add it. So these are the settings, and on the right side you will see the preview of a sample invoice, and at the top you will see a sales invoice template. So you can choose different types of templates, different template designs you can choose different types of designs. And we have support for thermal printers also, and for A5 printing also. And you can use a custom template if you have added, or if you have choose the custom invoice template add-on. We will design a template according to your preference and make it available for your download. So you can click on use custom template and download. And here you can choose the performer template and delivery challan template. Okay, and after you finish your settings, click on save. Thank you.